Hi, everybody. This is Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This video, I'm going to go over the current futures conditions and technical analysis on May the 22nd, 2024. I'm going to look at oil, gold, and ES, the very common ones. I'm going to be using Yahoo Finance with specific indicators for it. So, share the screen. First, we'll look at oil. Oil has been on a pretty big drop in the last few days. This is the 3-month chart for oil futures. You could see that we're currently at around 77.8 or so, down another percent so today. Refresh your browser, should be pretty similar, about 1% down. If you look at the last few months, however, we're staying in a fairly tight range between around 76 for the low. So you'll go up to 3 months here, May, no, February. In February, we're in the 73. The low was 72.2. Had a big uptrend, but now we're getting the summer drop and currently at 78. And so there's a volume profile for the daily chart. See, there's a lot of volume at the 78, also 77, 79. So there's a good chance it's going to stay in this range between 77 to around 80. Not as much volume down here. There's a little bit of a volume jump at around 75. So if it does continue down, there's a chance you go down to that 75 level. RSI at 38, not quite at oversold, but starting to trend lower a bit. These other lines are the moving average. 30-day moving average has been decreasing. So we're on a slightly bearish trend right now. Bollinger Bands is the thick line here, and we are relatively wide, so a little bit of volatility there. Could be a good indication to possibly sell a strangle around the 85 call and around the 70, 65 in the puts. Also do a safeguard 112. Put side, I would go, and currently have a few of these on, where selling at the 60 range and then buying put debit spreads at that 72, 71 range, which shows a possible chance of hitting that trap. So get gold. For gold, still in a big uptrend. We're near all-time highs from mid-April. The high in the futures was 24.29. We actually did slightly increase that a few days ago. Last few days, though, has been slight downturns. We're currently down about 0.5%. Going to refresh to see if it changed at all. And it's still about down 0.5%. Yahoo Finance is a little bit delayed, but when we're looking at the daily chart, it's not much of a factor in the end. All right, so if you look at the volume last few months, we are in a possible volume jump around the 2300s, 2350 and 2330. A lot of volume here, so if we continue this downtrend the next few days, there's a chance it could go down about 100 points the next week, few months or so. Spanning out to around December. Again, big bull market in gold. We might be near the peaks at this point. Volatility increased the last few days. It's the wider band. We were above the Bollinger Band on the daily a few days ago. Now we're hovering inside the Bollinger Band, so there's a chance it could stay in that range as well. For possible plays here, currently in a safeguard 112 in the put side and the call side. Pretty far out in time, about 120, 140 days or so. On the call side, the put side, we're at 60 days, so pretty good profit already at about 30% of the max of the tail profit. Well, let's look at ES. ES is again near all-time highs. We've had, I think, 13 out of 14 positive days in a row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Had just one down day. So 13 out of 14 up days. Near the top of the Bollinger Bands. Are a slight down day right now. Going to have NVIDIA earnings today after market close. This might change the market a bit. A little bit wider in the Bollinger Bands, but we're very low in volatility. RSI is near overbought at 67 range. So if we hit near 80, there could be some consolidation. In terms of volume profile, we have a decent amount of volume at the 52, 50, even bigger volume at the 5100s from a few months ago. Which we're in this trend right here and right here. There's no volume at current levels. And if we keep shooting up higher, it's because we're near all-time highs. So it's gonna be hard to say if it's gonna continue moving up. However, did have quite a bit of jumps here. Notice last time we crossed over the Bollinger Band, we did see some consolidation and down moves afterwards. There's a chance that happens again. However, I think 5100 or a pretty big drop would still be relatively safe if it hits this volume. Bigger shot of around 5200 if we see down movements. Again, hopefully that helps in your technical analysis for the futures. I plan to do these a little bit more regularly just to see different opportunities. And the main three that I focus on is ES for S&P 500 futures, and CL for oil, and GC for gold. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps out the channel. Definitely support all your help, and have a good rest of the trading day.